Meant to be upbeat.
Yeah, a bit of enthusiasm, please.
Hello and welcome to Better Totes and Gardens. We're kind of jumping around at the moment, doing a whole heap of different stuff. But we're here with Yakov. But today we've kind of caught Jacob in the middle of a job. He's pulled everything, almost everything out.
Well, I'll pull the rest out probably.
Did pull the rest out, but we're going to pull it out again. Of the old shed. Because we're cleaning it out because a lot of this stuff was just
falling apart.
A bit falling apart and a bit like not great. Not great. So we got some one new shelf. We should have just built one, but we're gonna fix that up. We're gonna do some painting, some sanding. We're gonna seal that so we don't end up with crap spilled all over it. We're gonna rearrange it. Save the old paint thing here because it's gonna go the same way at some point. So we might just give that a, I don't know if we'll sand that. I reckon we'll just go straight over with the sealer.
Yeah, probably.
And that's it. And then we're gonna put everything back together. Now that he's pulled everything apart, we'll pull everything back together. And the new, I don't know if we've shown anyone this, we've got the new fandangle, look, Pip did a thing in here.
Yeah, I didn't know if that was new or not. Hey.
Electricity and everything. So we're going to rearrange it, make it a bit more user friendly. Now that we've got the nice light here. That's pretty.
Yeah, I was using my phone torch, I turned around and saw it. I was like, oh, what the fuck is this here?
Then rearrange everything and hopefully make things just a little bit easier. Anyway, welcome to Totes and Gardens, featuring Leanne on the camera, Yakov on the manual labour, me sitting down smoking ciggies because I'm sick and
not ciggies are helping you get better.
Yeah, so here we go. I'm actually not meant to be here today. It's full clerks. Anyway, but I'm here. Better Totes and Gardens. Like, comment, I don't care, subscribe.
Moving all this stuff.
Alright.
Okay.
I was really hoping that you'd do one at a time there. I don't know.
You two think that you're funny and you're being meant to be on the work site? Is that what you're both trying to do?
No.
Let's forget I'm older than you both. Let's get your elders.
So, you're going to seal it with this.
Looks like a regular brick.
Oh, surprise brick. What are you looking for?
Pull that vacuum hose out there.
Yeah. What are you looking for?
This.
What's this?
A key.
What did you call it before?
Thingy?
Yeah, thingy.
I need weight. It's the noise.
You going well?
I mean, I wouldn't say amazingly, but I'm doing alright.
What are you figuring out again?
Well, you reckon you can't use paper handle, but
Well, I've got no idea, that's why I said check.
Doesn't say anything about not.
Rightio.
And I've used paint stripper on cars parts before, so.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, I'll give it a go.
Pop the drains out first.
Hey?
Block the drains out first.
Gotta block the drains out. Very good idea. So we don't want that going down.
Chuck some gloves on.
Oh yeah.
Smells good.
I enjoy it, mate. She's delicious. I enjoy it the best. Jeez, she's tight. Fit in here to get a shot. Check in on you. You got your hood up. That must mean you're working hard.
Yeah.
What are you robbing a bank?
Never know.
Jeez, that didn't work very well.
What do you mean?
I just want the proof that we got at this bank.
Holy smokes.
Holy smokes, like there's still bits around driving well. I don't clean it even out in here.
The clean sink.
Yeah, get me after you're doing hard work. You know, like the hard yakka, man?
Hard yakka. Hard yakka.
And people will be going, well, why are you doing this? So you know what's going to end up happening?
What?
So, you know that thing where you do something, you're okay, just like, yeah, it's just a little bit of work to keep it at this thing, and then someone walks in and just, like, don't give a f***, and the next person walks in and just don't give a f***, and the next person walks in and just don't give a f***.
It's a 1%ers.
It's 1%ers. Do you want to ask us any more questions about it?
It's a bit noisy. Bye.
Get it together. Oh, nice hammer.
Yeah, we don't want to put steel on steel.
No.
We don't have a mullet, so creativity.
Jacob's little box of gods, eh?
Box of what?
Box of gods.
Gods. That's bright.
Twenty minutes later.
Hey Shane, look how easy.
Oh, they're not connected.
I was really rooting for you to f that up, but that was just as funny.
Simples.
You just dobbed yourself into all of them now, didn't you?
I'll do more.
Last one, you.
I can't, you're in the way.
Right.
What's he gonna do?
Just watch.
Well, don't tell him to f me, haven't you?
Oh,
You got that real quick.
getting straight onto it. Got them together. To the right side up. Alright, now we're going to cut some wood through on that.
Yep.
You better take that off him. You're gonna give him your.
Hey,
Have a look at your pants. You're gonna give yourself new arsehole.
what is that?
So this dickhead.
Goes around, comes around.
Guys, can you just get a serious
How do you,
clip of
how
my
do you want
hand?
this?
Can I get a what?
Serious clip of my injury that I got from
I don't
painting.
know what
I know, that's what happens from being a tradie all day.
Stand on it.
Hey?
You want to just stand on
It
it?
hurts. It does, it hurts.
Yeah.
I'm sensitive.
Shelves. So replace any shelves on those old ones like that with them.
That, hey?
This bad boy can hold so much pain.
I don't hold anything at the moment.
No, not until we drill it.
Barely holds himself, mate.
This bad boy will be able to hold so much pain.
up, guys.
Hi.
Do this one first. Get in there.
Can't see where you are. So I'm going to be living in this soon.
Yeah, tiny house,
Wait,
Rob.
is that
G'day, mate.
Yeah. Because it's like music industry people
Shane.
down the way, girl.
Pay attention, Shane.
What am I meant to pay attention to?
Your hands not getting
I'm going to drill a pilot first, right?
Hold on.
Just hold the board down. I'm just going to drill a pilot first.
Yeah.
I'm about Gav's hand height up.
Yeah, you're right. He's
Yeah,
right
you're
at the top.
Right, now just ram it in.
See what Leanne said, James?
Listen, keep your minds out of the gutter. And your eyes on the job. You got that one in?
Yep, look at the other side. Ready, Shane?
Yeah, ready, mate.
It's the next day.
I do my favourite job in the world.
Cleaning things. Oh no, you're cleaning paintbrushes. Shane's cleaning things.
I'd rather clean anything than clean paintbrushes.
Cleaning products. Take two.
Oh yeah, it's take two. We did this before, didn't we?
Yeah, I know. I was tired after lunch. Like these
products.
These all got cleaned.
Yeah, I cleaned all them. Oh, someone didn't clean them all though. Look at that.
Flashback to last night.
Hold on.
Oh well, it is looking good in here.
Hey?
I have to do an artist impression of how trashed it looked yesterday because everyone was too tired to film it, or too late. We did talk about how this has just been filled in.
Imagine, the concrete, when they build it, they just concreted in here. We did that. What else? I don't know. But yeah, I mean, we've got more stuff in here now and more room, and you can use it.
That is true.
But I guarantee it will last a week before I f***ing walk in, open it, and I roll my eyes back and I go. We've got a few other things we've got to work out. But I don't know, tomorrow I reckon we might film some of this tomorrow as well.
Oh yeah, the poster board.
Yeah, but I'm like, do I just put it in? I suppose it's just put it in form ply.
Yeah.
Because then it's more protected.
That's true. We're gonna go around and clean up all the trash that came out of here.
But that means that I'm paid.
Oh, I was just filming trash.